Ouch. $17, $10, $8, Allen, new pads, new caliper, new rotor, brake pad clips, brake clean, wheel stud nut remover, ratchet, flat-bladed screwdriver, breaker bar 17mm, wire brush, air, bit of rag. Little hiccup here, the rotor hasn't gone on all the way, so I've just tried backing off the handbrake as much as I can. Not working. A couple of bolts in there and I'll push the disc back off and let them have a look. Little trick for lazy people. Hub is a little bit rusty, that's why the rotor didn't go on properly. I'll give it a quick clean with that wire brush, as you probably saw, and another clean off a brake clean. It's on all the way. You can see the axle there through the little hole. So I'll get back into try and get the caliper back on, give the rotor rev another clean. Why? Seems like the rear brakes on Landcruisers wear out a lot faster than the rear ones, particularly when towing. That's my experience. I didn't have a wear indicator on the inside pad. When we got to Bendigo, I had a little bit of a squeegee. A little bit of metal on metal. So I've replaced the rear rotors and rear calipers.